Now my favorite vegetable soup, Finnish Spinach Soup, Pinaattikeitto. I'll throw the spinach in microwave. Let's cook some eggs. So we need hard-boiled eggs. And of course you can use also fresh spinach. First we add half a stick of butter to the pan. Next we'll need 1/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour. Mix it well, but don't let it brown too much. Then we need to add 2 cups of water, little by little, so that no clumps are formed, and make sure that you mix it all the time. When all the water is there, let's add 1 vegetable cube and that spinach that is waiting. And then to the spices. First of all, white pepper, a pinch of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and half a tablespoon of sugar, and then half a cup of milk, or you can also use cream. Then just mix it, let it boil for a while, and then use the electric mixer to make it smooth. It looks really nice already, so actually it's done. Looking nice. A little taste test, of course, to check if the spices are correct. Add the eggs on top and enjoy. Thank you for watching.